Galaxy.
Good morning, my shining stars.
Good morning, Miss Bella.
Today, we're going to learn something super cool called a digraph. Can everyone say, digraph?
Digraph.
Great job. A digraph is when two letters come together to make one sound. Isn't that awesome? Our first digraph today is ow. Say it with me.
Ow.
When you see O and U together, they say ow, like when you bump your toe. Let's look at some ow words. House. Say after me.
House. What a beautiful house.
2. Mouse. Say after me.
Mouse. Look. It's a mouse.
3. Cloud. Say after me.
Cloud. Wow. The cloud is beautiful.
4. Shout. Say after.
Shout. What is he doing? It's a boy shouting. I see.
5. Blouse. Say after me.
Blouse. What a beautiful blouse.
Now it's time for our next digraph, ow. Can you say ow?
Ow.
Just like OU, ow also makes the ow sound. Isn't that interesting? Let's look at some ow words. 1. Cow. Say it with
Cow. That is a fat cow.
2. Owl. Say it with me.
Owl. What a big owl.
3. Crown. Say it with me.
Crown.
What a shiny crown.
4. Town. Say it with me. 4. Town. Say it with me.
Town. I love this town.
5. Crowd. Say it with me.
Crowd. That is a crowd of people.
Now let's play a fun game. I'll say a word and you tell me if it
Okay.
Cloud.
Pow.
Cow.
Pow.
House.
Pow.
Crown.
Pow.
You're amazing word detectives. Give yourselves a big round of applause. You did an amazing job learning our sounds today. Now, remember to keep practicing those digraphs every day. See you soon.
Goodbye, Miss Bella. See you soon. For watching, like, share and subscribe to Great Kids Galaxy for more amazing videos like this.